Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Naughty Threads. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please hit the subscribe button now and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get our future notifications. So in today's video, I'll show you this new idea of making oxidized silver jhumkas using a wooden parrot. So the jhumka has a tassel from the center. Looks very pretty. It looks heavy, but it's absolutely not heavy. Very colorful. You can use any color cotton thread to make this. So without any delay, let's get started. So to make this, I'm going to use anchor or embroidery thread. This is a cotton thread. I'm going to use two colors. And then we'll make some jhumka base like this with holes, a stud, any bead, eye pin and a parrot. This is a wooden parrot. So to start with, we'll have to cut about 4 inches long. So measure 4 inches and cut a few pieces. So I've already measured 4 inches here. I'm going to cut a few pieces and then we'll start adding these to the jhumka. So as you all know, this has 6 strands in total. I'm not going to separate any, but I'm going to take 2 and make 1 knot here. So I'm using 2 strands. So fold it. This is a 4-inch thread. Fold it in the center and insert it in this loop. So I've inserted this end, the round end of this thread, and now we'll just pass these ends from this loop. Then tighten it. So it forms a nice knot here. See how this looks? So same way we'll continue with alternate color. The next one I'll be adding a green. I've already cut the other color to 4 inches. So same way. Just roll the end and pass it through the loop. Once you have this loop, you'll have to pass these ends from the loop. Pull it tight. So this way you will continue on each and every loop. Just left with the last one. So I've added thread into all the loops here. Now we'll just fix the stud. For this you will need a cutter and a round nose plier as well. So we'll first open this loop and add the Jhumka. So I've opened the loop here and just fixing the Jhumka, and then tighten the loop back. Now I will be adding this parrot and a gold bead, silver bead. Then bend this eye pin to 90 degrees and trim the excess. Make a loop to add the stud. Now we are just left with tying this. So get these all together. I've tied using the same thread. Make sure they're all even and they're all seen. Hold it tight and wind this thread 3 to 4 times. You'll have to make sure this is in the center of the Jhumka. And then make a knot like this. Now we'll trim the tassel. Hold both together and trim it to even length. Here's the final look of this Jhumka. You can also use them as latkans if you don't fix the stud. You can simply make a loop with this eye pin and leave it. So this part you can directly attach it to the blouse and it looks very pretty on a cotton blouse or a linen blouse. So I hope you guys like this idea. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll be back with more interesting videos. Until then, take care guys. Bye.